Morning class, Monica ma'am here, Monica Thomas ma'am, class 10th. Today I am going to start with chapter 1, Civics. Your first chapter is the Union Legislature. What do you mean by the word Union Legislature? Union Legislature means the Parliament. The Union Parliament. What do you mean by the word Union Parliament? Union Parliament means both the houses of the Parliament and President. It comes in the Union Parliament. So first you should know the definition of the Parliament. The Parliament is the supreme legislative body of the country. It consists of the Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha and the President. So first we will see in this chapter the Lok Sabha. As you all know, there are two houses of the Parliament. First one is Lok Sabha. It is also known as the House of People also. So Lok Sabha is the lower house of the Parliament. It is the House of the People with 552 seats or members. Members of the Lok Sabha are elected directly by the people of the country as the general election, you all know, held after every 5 years, and by that general election only the member of Lok Sabha elected. On the ground of principle of universal adult franchise. So first you all know this. Again I am going to explain you what is universal adult franchise. It is an organization that provide all over the world the voting right to all the citizens who are above 18 years of age. This is known as universal adult franchise. On the basis of that, the members of the Lok Sabha are elected. So Lok Sabha may be dissolved by the President before the expiry of its session. As you know, the session of the Lok Sabha is of 5 years, but it could be dissolved by the President on the advice of Prime Minister during the emergency. What do you mean by the word emergency? Emergency could be of different types: financial emergency or national emergency or state emergency. There are different kinds of emergencies that could be only imposed by the President of the country. Its term or tenure may be extended from 5 to 6 years. If there is an emergency in the country, definitely the period of the Lok Sabha could be extended. Normal period is 5 years, but it could be extended during the time of emergency to 6 years. Now we will see the special powers of the Lok Sabha. Motions of no confidence against the government can only be introduced and passed in the Lok Sabha. Motion of no confidence, what do you mean by it? Motion of no confidence means when the one third of majority will declare no confidence in the ruling government. So they will pass a resolution that will be known as no confidence, and that R will be known as no confidence motion. Next, money bill can be introduced only in Lok Sabha, and the Rajya Sabha cannot reject or amend it. As the procedure of money bill is that the money bill is used to of originating in Lok Sabha only, but it is used to have sent to Rajya Sabha for consideration, and Rajya Sabha has to return that money bill during the time of 14 days. If they will return it with any amendment, the Lok Sabha is not bound to follow that amendment. So if they will not return it in a particular time, so it will be considered as passed. Next is, in case of deadlock between the two houses, the will of the Lok Sabha prevent due to its high numerical strength. As you know, Rajya Sabha is having lesser strength than the Lok Sabha. Because of the numerical strength, the deadlock between the two houses will be, Lok Sabha will be the matter of the Lok Sabha will be prevailed. Next, the speaker presides. Who is the head of the Lok Sabha? Speaker. And speaker presides over the Lok Sabha. He or she is elected among its own members. Means the members of Lok Sabha among themselves only, they were used to of appointing the speaker of the Lok Sabha. Next topic you will see the functions of the speaker. He or she regulate the proceeding of the house. Means he or she is appointed to regulate the proceeding of the house, or he or she certifies a bill as a money bill or not. He or she maintain discipline in the house. He or she puts the issue to vote and announcement of the results. He or she does not vote in the house except when there is a tie. He or she presides over the joint session of the parliament, and they also speaker also have to maintain the discipline and decorum of the house. This was the description of Rajya Sabha. Now we will come this was the description of Lok Sabha. Now new topic we are about to start, that is Rajya Sabha. It is the upper house of the parliament. It is also known as means it is undissolvable, as Lok Sabha could be dissolved but Rajya Sabha could not be dissolved. It is a permanent body and it cannot be dissolved. The term of office of its member is 6 years, means term of Lok Sabha is 5 years, Rajya Sabha term of members is 6 years. 1/3 of its member retired every second year. Now we will see the special powers of the Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha can declare any subject in the state list as a subject of national interest. As you know, 3 type of lists are there in the union government: state list, union list, and the concurrent list. So Rajya Sabha can declare any subject in that list as a subject of national interest. Next, empowering the parliament to legislate on it. It has the power to set up a new all India service. Now we will see the power and functions of the Rajya Sabha. First is legislative powers. What are the legislative powers of the Rajya Sabha? You will see it is the law-making body of the at the central level. Control over the executive. Government is directly responsible to the parliament. Judicial powers of the Rajya Sabha are: it can impeach the president, remove judges from the judges and important officials, and condemned anyone for defamation. Impeachment of the judges, to removal of the judges from their post is known as impeachment of the judges or the officials. Next is financial control. It is the custody of the country's finance wealth. Electoral powers means powers related to election. It elects the President of India, presiding officers of both the houses of the parliament, and the Vice President of India. This was your first part of the explanation. Rest of the explanation I will explain you in my next video.